Hi, I am Brandon from EB Moving, and I'm here to introduce plastic moving baskets for household moves, in which we call the EB Moving Basket. When it comes to household moves, people think of cardboard boxes such as these. So far, most of the moving companies and self-move people have been using these cardboard boxes. As you can see, cardboard boxes require assembly, taping, and labeling. As a former professional mover, I can tell you that at least half of the packing time is because of assembly, taping, and labeling. However, EB moving baskets do not require any of them, making the packing and unpacking incredibly fast. I just place a basket down, put my stuff in the basket, flip in the metal brackets, stack the next basket on top, and I can start packing immediately. For a typical 3-bedroom home, 3 movers can pack everything in less than 2 hours if our baskets are used. Another problem with cardboard boxes is that you need to buy them in multiple sizes. Small boxes are primarily used to pack heavy items such as books, while big boxes are used to pack items such as pillows and blankets. Boxes of different sizes create extra work when moving on a dolly or loading into a truck. EB moving baskets, though big in size, can support any heavy item. As you can see, I weigh over 200 pounds, and I can step inside the basket and even start jumping inside. Thus, you can use our baskets of the same size to pack everything. All of our baskets are the same size on purpose. This saves additional time when using on a dolly or during truck loading. Overall, I find that the use of our baskets makes packing, dolly move, truck loading, and unpacking much faster than the use of cardboard boxes. The best part of our baskets is that they are reusable. People have been paying anywhere from $2 to $4 for each cardboard box and then have to get rid of them after their move. You don't have this problem with an EB moving basket. Some people have been using plastic storage containers such as these right here. These plastic storage containers do solve most of the problems that cardboard boxes pose. However, our baskets are a better solution than plastic storage containers because our baskets do not even require labeling. Also, because our baskets support thousands of moves, while plastic storage containers only support hundreds of moves. When customers use our baskets for their own packing and unpacking needs, the visual of looking into our baskets to find a specific item makes much more efficiency when packing or unpacking. Imagine, right after truck unloading, it is dinner time and you have to find cups quickly. You can look into each one of our baskets and find that the cups are right in there, so I know to only unpack this basket. This is in comparison to plastic storage containers and boxes in which labeling, such as I only wrote kitchen on each box. Now I have to open each box to find those cups. Regarding the reusability, you can see that plastic storage containers have a weak lid. This gets damaged during up and down moves. When I press down on the lid, I get a little scared I'm going to break that lid. Our baskets last much, much longer. Now, I'm going to take a step outside. One might wonder, gee, these plastic storage containers or cardboard boxes are sealed either by tie right here or a piece of tape going along the top of the cardboard box, thus providing better safety of box content than an EB moving basket. Let me tell you something. Before the contents inside a box ever gets spilled, the whole box will fall to the ground first. If a whole box ever falls to the ground, it is when you move multiple boxes on a dolly. A dolly can hit a bump or something, and then the top box can fall. When it falls, the lid or taped top only reduces the damage, but does not eliminate the damage. I find that our baskets and plastic storage containers are less likely to fall than cardboard boxes. Perhaps that is not enough in a place with a lot of bumps or slopes. Well, you can insert a rope into our EB moving baskets, and then when stacked on top of one another, they are fastened down. Our baskets, once fastened by ropes, provide the best safety of your box content in the industry. Now, I'm going to step inside right here, take a stack of cardboard boxes on a dolly, and bring them down this bump into the garage. As you can see, it's very easy for the top box to fall because the cardboard boxes are not fastened down by anything. Now, I'm going to get a stack of EB moving baskets that have been fastened down by a rope and do the same thing down this bump into the garage. As you can see, because our baskets are fastened down by rope, it becomes one solid item and steps down the bump very easily. You can stack up 5 to 8 baskets on a dolly when fastened by rope and move the whole thing straight into a truck if safety is ever an issue. If there is no bump or slope in your house, you don't even need to use the rope. To sum up, our baskets are the best solution for household moves. Not only do our baskets support the faster move, but they also offer the best safety for your precious household items. Cardboard boxes, or plastic storage containers, are not very good for the move because they were not specifically designed for the move. Our baskets were specifically designed for the household move. Thank you very much from EB Moving.